that was the first time my heart felt a little funny, and it was like, oh, okay, this is a different feeling, and I like this feeling.
Yeah,
And it was exciting because it was the first time I was feeling something
yeah.
like.
Feels like ish. That's exactly what anyone today in this country says when asked about their feelings towards Rohit Saraf. And today we have the man himself who has slayed several hearts with just his smile in just the last 8 months or so. So Rohit, first of all, like how has been this time period for you the last 8 months or so since Ludo and Mismatch? Like you have had this immense booming kind of a fandom you have got in these 8 months. How has it been dealing with that?
It's been there's nothing to deal with, man. Honestly, I feel like it's firstly, thank you so much. That's a very very sweet introduction. Thank you.
Yeah.
But it's been fantastic. Honestly, Akash, there is nothing that I would say would do justice to how I feel every day. Um, just to wake up and realize
Yeah.
that there are thousands of people right now who are wishing for you, who you've probably never met, you've never spoken to, but you know that they are
Yeah.
your supporters, they are your pillars. I think it's one of the most beautiful
Hmm.
feelings in the world. I think forget
Yeah.
about actors. Every human being wants to be loved, and to be
Hmm.
loved so deeply and widely,
Hmm.
um, it really just it feels like a dream. It feels like I could conquer anything with the kind of love I have right now.
Yeah. And like Netflix is trying, proving to be a lucky charm. Like third time's the charm. The hat trick it's gonna be with it feels like ish. So
Yes.
has this collaboration with next Netflix changed your career path?
I mean, funnily enough, Akash, just a couple of days ago, I realized that almost every project except for one, all the
Yeah.
projects that I've ever been a part of are
Yeah.
on Netflix. Like everything's on
Yeah.
Netflix. Um, a lot of people now, like a lot of people that I work with now, call me Netflix's poster boy. That makes me very very happy because who doesn't want to be?
Yeah.
But honestly, no matter how grateful I would be to Netflix,
Hmm.
I think it wouldn't be enough because they have made me who I am today.
Hmm.
They are the reason I have the kind of love I have.
Hmm.
um and and I'm not saying this to flatter anybody, but I honestly, the kind of relationship I have with people at Netflix, it
Yeah.
is the most beautiful relationship. They are the best people that I could have worked with. So
Yeah.
yeah, I big love and massive hugs to everyone at Netflix who's given me these opportunities to be able to shine.
Yeah. And like we have seen you as a blue-eyed romantic boy in Mismatch. Now here we see another side of you. So how different is Aditya from Rishi in his ideologies about love?
Very different because Rishi is the guy who wears his heart on his sleeves, is a
Yeah.
hopeless romantic, will go
Mm,
to any extent to, uh, find his love and all of that.
mm,
As opposed to Aditya, who's very, very different. Like his
yeah.
first love, I would assume would. I mean, I think this is. I don't know how the writers wrote it, but
Yeah.
I think Aditya is not somebody who is a hopeless romantic. He's
Mm,
definitely not. His idea of love is very very different than Rishi
mm,
because it's not so extreme.
yeah.
For Rishi, love is life.
Mm,
Um, for Aditya, love is a part of the life.
okay.
So yeah, it's pretty different actually.
Okay. And like you have had so effortless chemistry with Pearl and Ludo and Prajakta and Mismatch. How was it developing that kind of a bond and equation with Simran here?
So I think the chemistry and bond that you've seen on screen with Prajakta and Pearl is also because the amount of time we got with each other.
Yeah.
With Prajakta, I lived practically with
Mm,
her for those 45 days, and
yeah.
before that, we had a couple of prep and this and that.
Mm,
With Pearly, I knew her, and I mean, I know her still, but while we were working on the film, we worked on the film together for about a year and a half. So I also built that kind of relationship with them over time.
mm,
With Simran, it was very different actually. It was completely, of course, we became friends along the way, and
yeah.
we hung out a lot.
Mm,
But um, okay, so with Prajakta and Pearly,
mm,
the chemistry came in. after. First, I became friends with them.
Hmm. Yeah.
With Simran, it was the other way around. The
Okay.
chemistry had to come in first because we met professionally, and
Yeah.
along the journey, we became friends. So
Yeah.
it was actually the polar opposite, which is really exciting
Hmm.
because I also got barely like 8 days with Simran. Like I
Okay.
have the beginning of the journey and the end of the journey literally spanned 8 days.
Okay.
So yeah, so it was pretty exciting
Yeah.
because there was no amount of reality in what we
Hmm.
were trying to portray on screen. Also, actually, because if you see, you've seen Star Host already.
No.
You haven't seen, no? Okay. When you see the shot, you'll realize that it's not the obvious in your face kind of chemistry.
Okay.
So I didn't have to work hard on that because
Hmm.
it says that Aditya and Tara, they don't
Hmm.
know each other. They meet for the first time, and that was pretty much what was happening,
Hmm.
in reality too.
Okay.
So yeah, it was different, but it was very exciting.
Yeah. And it looks as effortless as going by the trailer and the poster.
Oh, thank
So,
you.
and what about your current love life? How has it been going, and how is your idea of love in today's time
It's
as you
going
live?
great. It's going great considering I don't have a love life at the moment.
Okay.
Um, yeah, I'm very single,
Yeah.
but my idea of love right now has
Hmm.
changed like tenfold since the last couple of years. Obviously,
Hmm.
I think as you grow up, as you meet more people, as you get involved with more people,
Hmm.
you realize what you want and what you don't want.
Hmm.
All these years it's been about going that extra mile even while you're hurting, but you're trying to keep the
Yeah.
relationships afloat, and you're trying to make things work
Hmm.
even though you might not necessarily be very happy with it,
Hmm.
just because the idea of love is, oh my god, sacrifices, etc.,
Yeah.
etc.
Hmm.
But I think now, I think it's more real. Earlier it was full
Okay.
fantasy and it was this dream world that I was living in. I think
Hmm.
now it's more real. It's
Hmm.
as real as it could get. um, and to think of it, this is literally the beginning of what it might be in future.
Yeah. Hmm.
So yeah, lots of evolution.
Okay. So, like, you are on a kind of a new path of your career. Like, you've graduated from the supporting actor to the leading man. So, you have worked with a lot of big stars like Rani, Alia, Priyanka, Farhan. So, while you are on this new path, what have you kind of learned from their journey that you have kind of putting it into your new path, as in figuring
There
yourself?
are a couple of things. There's discipline, there's
Hmm.
honesty, there is hard work. I think
Yeah.
these three things never go out of fashion.
Yeah.
These are the three things that will
Hmm.
help you lead, uh, for the lack of a better word, successful, accomplished life.
Yeah.
Uh, every single person that I've met
Hmm.
has had all these three qualities that has
Yeah.
helped them be where they are today. And
Yeah.
I think most importantly, at least for me, whoever I've worked with, they're
Hmm.
extremely kind. And I
Okay.
think kindness goes a long way. So I
Yeah.
think these are a couple of things that I take from them. And
Hmm.
every single day, it's a conscious effort.
Hmm.
It's something that I always have in mind, that these are
Hmm.
a couple of things that I can never get bored of or never get
Yeah.
tired of.
Hmm.
It's a practice every day, and
Yeah.
I'm very very grateful that I could be a tiny part of their journeys and their individual lives,
Hmm.
um, because I was exposed to all of that.
Hmm.
All those experiences have added value in my
Hmm.
life,
Hmm.
and for that I'm very very grateful.
Okay. And like yesterday, you kind of made your fans curious with the Mismatch 2 script, and you a month ago you also had a kind of a mini reunion with a lot of
Yeah,
the cast members.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, like, what's happening on Mismatch 2 front? When is it going on the floors? And first part kind of left all of us broken with the way Rishi and Dimple story kind of ended. So, where is it heading, and when is it going on first?
Great, Akash. So you basically want the script? I'll send it to you, my friend. Lots of
No,
questions follow up.
no, no. It's okay. As much as you can tell.
Akash, there is no way I will tell you anything
Okay,
about
okay.
this match. The all that I can tell you is that we've got the script and
Hmm.
we'll start filming soon. But
Okay.
apart from that, I can't. You want me to continue being Netflix's poster boy? Don't ask me these questions. That
Okay, okay.
will chuck
Surely.
me out. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, no,
Yeah.
but it's exciting. All that I
Yeah.
can say is it's exciting. There's a lot that's happening in season two. And there will be something for everybody's fan in
Hmm.
it.
Okay, okay. And what
Yeah.
does the future lineup looks like apart from Mismatch 2 that you can talk about?
Exciting. It's exciting. There's lots happening. There's diverse work happening,
Hmm.
which I'm really, really looking forward to. Now,
Okay.
more than this, if I say, then it
Yeah,
will
yeah,
be
I
a
understand.
problem. But
Completely.
what I can say is that it's very exciting. At least for me, it is very,
Hmm.
very exciting.
Thank you
Absolutely.
so much for taking
I'll
your
see you
time.
soon. Please take care. Thank you.
Hope you had a great time talking to you.
I did. I did. I loved it. You've made my day. Thank you.
Thank you so much.